Hey everyone! Today we are opening the Acer Swift Air 16. You can find our full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. To reach the internal components, remove 12 screws and lift off the bottom panel. Use a Torx T6 screwdriver. The first screw seems loose rather than captive. We will verify that during reassembly. The screws are different lengths, so we arrange them carefully on a magnetic mat. This keeps every screw in its original position. This is the correct screw layout for reassembly. Use a thin plastic pry tool. We start here because the gap is accessible and clearly visible. Keep the tool shallow so it cannot touch or damage internal components. Cover removed. Disconnect this battery connector first. Here is the SSD slot. twin heat pipes and one fan handle cooling. This 16GB LPDDR5 runs at 6400. Realtek RTL8852CE handles Wi-Fi 6E. Acer lists Bluetooth 5.4. Slide the battery connector straight out of its socket. Next, remove the screws securing the battery to the chassis. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. This is a 50 watt-hour 3-cell lithium-ion battery. The speaker wires are secured along the battery. They can come out together or release the speaker wires first. We will show that second method here. Now we remove the installed M.2 SSD. The drive lifts when unscrewed. This is a 1TB TWS NVMe SSD. The single NVMe slot accepts only 2280 drives over PCI Express 4x4. Reinstall the SSD and secure it with the same screw. Reconnect the battery last, after every other component is secure. Working behind the camera with gloves makes this connector a little awkward. Finally, reinstall the battery screws and tighten them evenly. That completes the disassembly and reassembly of the Acer Swift Air 16. Our full review covers thermals, OLED display quality, and battery life. The link is below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Laptop Media for more detailed laptop videos.